NJ Laminates manufactures laminate office products. We make millwork, cabinetry. We have our line of desks, office furniture. We do Corian, solid surface. We have a repurposing program where we bring back work surfaces, we sand them down, we re-edge band them, re-laminate them, and then we sell them as a repurposed product. We also have a delivery and installation company. We have a design service. We engineer all our products. So it's from inspiration to installation. We handle everything, one source for all your office needs. We reached out to Stiles and Panelwood Machinery to purchase edge bander. We worked with Ron from Panelwood to design out the layout of the shop to get the best flow from laminating to cutting to CNC edge banding, down machine to assembly. We started off with one edge bander and a vertical saw, and then we moved up to a CNC router. We added the doweling machine, and virtually now we're producing our own line of office furniture. Stiles has helped us acquire all the proper equipment we need, plus financing. I've worked with Stiles Finance to secure all my loans and made it very easy. Stiles is a great company. The rep supports us, day and night. Whenever we call, he answers, and very helpful.